In a relief to former ICICI Bank Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director Chanda Kochhar, the Bombay High Court today ordered the release of Kochhar and her husband Deepak Kochhar from judicial custody after arrest by the Central Bureau of Investigation in the Videocon loan case. The duo had approached the High Court seeking quashing of the FIR by the CBI and remand orders in the case regarding irregularities in the loans granted to Venugopal Dutt's Videocon group by the ICICI Bank between the period 2009 to 2012. They had sought an interim relief of release. The division bench of Justice Revati Mohita Dere and Justice Prithvi Raj Chavan today said that the arrest is not in accordance with the mandate of Section 41A of the Code of Criminal Procedure while pronouncing the order. The High Court last week made it clear that it was not entertaining Kochhar's petitions because of their son's wedding, but purely as to whether compliance was done with regards to Section 41A of the CRPC, under which notice had been issued to them. Senior Advocate Amit Desai represented Chanda Kochhar, while Senior Advocate Vikram Chaudhary appeared on behalf of her husband today. They submitted that since the Kochhars had appeared before the investigating agency in compliance of Section 41A subsection 3 of the CRPC, there was no need to arrest them. Further, they had contended that they had cooperated with the investigators, providing hundreds of pages in documents right from the very outset. Desai also submitted during the hearing that the arrest memo did not have the signature of a female officer. As for Deepak Kochhar, Chaudhary submitted that he was previously arrested by the Enforcement Directorate in the PMLA case and subsequently released on bail after the appellate authority refused to confirm attachment of his assets. Their petition before the Bombay High Court also questioned the timing of the arrest, as their son's wedding is scheduled to be held in January itself. Kochhar's only son is scheduled to be married on January 15th and functions were to start shortly. This leads to the belief that to be arrested on the eve of the wedding of her son after 4 years of the FIR, despite the settled law, was driven by a malified intent. The plea before the High Court contended further. For more information on this interim order, you can refer to a detailed report, the link to which has been given in the description box below. Thank you. I'm Aratrika Bhaumik for LiveLaw. Keep watching LiveLaw for more such updates.